Hey everybody, this is the first video on the kaetalkstech channel. Welcome to where we demystify tech careers and the tech industry. This is my 40th year in tech, and I really want to see more people who look like me, more people who are underrepresented in tech, and more people who are poor and looking for a career, and just more Americans in general to enter tech. I think it is a great career. It still pays well, and so I've decided that I am going to share with you my knowledge in tech. So I've worked as a developer, I've been a development team lead, I've been a business systems analyst, I do project management, I've been a data analyst, I've been a tester, and a business process analyst. So basically that means I've done most of the jobs related to software development. So I think more people don't enter software development because they don't understand what the heck the people are talking about. You know, the jargon is can be difficult. So on this channel, I'm going to break down everything for you. What the jobs are, what they do, how you prepare for them, how you go after them, how much they pay, everything you ever wanted to know about technology careers. And I'm going to start with this right here. I want you to know that you can absolutely have a career in tech. You don't have to pay for an expensive boot camp. You don't have to get a college degree. You don't even have to code. I'll bet you didn't know that, and I'm going to show you how over the course of my videos. Now, sometimes when I tell you about something, I like to show you, right? So the videos don't fit in 10 minutes. So I have my videos up on Patreon under kaetalkstech. I have a website, kaetalkstech.com. Most of the videos, not most, all of the videos are either free or low cost. Yeah, I have to eat too, so I do charge for some videos, but all of the foundational information is absolutely 100% free. Okay, I'm going to show you how apps are created. I'm going to show you what the jobs are in tech, and I'm going to show you how you research jobs to understand what they do. Okay, so we'll start that process in the next video. Thank you for coming here. Go ahead and follow me so you can follow all of this. I'll see you soon.